Good afternoon, beautiful people, and good afternoon, beautiful students. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell in my channel. Remember, it is unbelievable, and always remember that math is fun. For today's topic, we will be going to discuss and I will be sharing to you some techniques on how to use your hands and your fingers in multiplication. Some students are still struggling on the multiplication table. Some students are still struggling with the division operation. Division and multiplication operations are related. So if the students is a little bit having difficulty in multiplication, there will be an instance that it will be hard for him or for her to solve a division operation. So this time, I will be sharing to you on how to use your fingers and your hands with this multiplication. Hello? Now this time, let us use table 2 using your fingers. First, what you need to do is to put your hand and close the fingers. Look at the joints or the bones of your hand or your finger. Start to count by twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and that will serve as your table 2. Now let us do an example. Give me 2 multiply 2. 2 bones or 2 joints with your 2 fingers. And that will count as 1, 2, 3, 4. And that will serve as your table 2. This time, let's study about table 3. Again, the same process with your hand and with the joints or bones with your fingers. This time, slowly, just close like that. Not too much close like in a fist. Just close like that. And count the 3 bones or the 3 joints of your fingers. Like this. Let us start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's make an example. So give me 3 multiply 3. Remember, 3 fingers, count the 3 bones or your 3 joints. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that will serve as your 3 multiply 3. Now this time, how are we going to use our hands and our fingers by table 4? As simple as like this. Just continue counting from the first part here until to the tip of your fingers. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. And that's how we're going to use our fingers with table 4. Now let us make an example. Give me 4 multiply 4 using your fingers and counting the joints and the bones in your fingers. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. First 4 for your first finger. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bones or 8 joints with your 2 fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 bones or joints with your 3 fingers. And 13, 14, 15, 16. And that is 16 bones or 16 joints with your 4 fingers. And that will be your 4 multiply 4. And now let us apply our hands with our table 5. So this is the easiest one. You have your 5 fingers or simply mark as this 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Each finger will be counted as 5 and that will be your simple 5. Now let us talk about table 6. In table 6, you will be using your understanding from table 2 to table 4. Table 6 to table 10 or table 9 will have a different method. This will be served as 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And each fingers will be counted as 10. I will be going to explain to you in a short while. Now let us apply this one in table 6. Remember, this will be counted as your 6. So 6 multiply 6. Let us connect these 2 thumbs. And you have 4 remaining fingers. These 2 thumbs will be counted as 10. So 10, 20. So you have 20. And then the 4 fingers. 4 multiply 4. And that is 16. You have your 16 and you have your 20. 16 plus 20, that would be 36. And that is 6 multiply 6. I will be going to give you another example. 6 multiply 7. So, these 3 fingers will be counted as 10. 10, 20, 30. So, you have 30. The remaining fingers, 3 multiply 4. 3 multiply 4 will be 12. 12 plus 30 will be 42. And that is your 6 multiply 7. Now let us apply our 8 by 8. 6, 7, 8, remember. And then let us apply by 7. 6, 7. So let us connect that fingers. Again, these fingers will be counted by 10. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So you have your 50. And then the remaining fingers, you have 2 multiply 3 will be 6. And 6 plus 50 will be 56. And that is your 8 multiply 7. Now let us proceed in table 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. That is your table 9. 6, 7, 8. Let us apply 9 and 8. Again, the fingers that are near to you will be counted as 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then the remaining fingers. 2 multiply 1. 2 multiply 1 is 2. 70 plus 2 is 72. And that is your table 9 multiply 8. Multiplication is very easy. All you have to do is keep on practicing so that your understanding in multiplication can be applied in your division operation. Always remember, practice every time and always do your best whenever there are some activities and when you have some time. Always remember, math is fun with Teacher Edwin. Have a nice day and thank you for listening in our discussion.